Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to motion track in CapCut or how you can make the camera follow you. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys must have to update your CapCut application because in the latest version of CapCut will allow you to make a motion tracking automatically without doing manually keyframing. So in order to use this amazing feature, you guys must have to update your CapCut application first. So after updating the CapCut application, you guys have to just simply open up the video in which you want to make camera track or motion track. So after opening up the video, now you guys have to just simply select the video which you want to make a motion track. So after selecting the video, now you guys have to just simply swipe right in order to just go to the camera tracking section. Now click on this camera tracking, and now you guys have just two options. The first one is AI movements. So in the AI movements, CapCut provide you some AI based movements, so you guys can also use these features. So I'll suggest you to do camera tracking, and here you guys have to just simply select the tracking object. You guys can select the face track, body track, or hands track. So if you want to track face, you guys have to just simply select the face track and click on track, or you guys can select the hand or body. And what it can do is it will automatically make keep frame of whole video one by one, and it will do accurately. Now you guys can see it has been done. Now it will provide you several options. You guys can rotate your clip, or you guys can also fit into canvas, or you guys can keep face sized, or you guys can blur the face. So I'm just selecting according to my need and click on tick. Now you guys will be able to see our face tracking has been enabled. So in this way you guys can apply motion track in CapCut very easily. Now let's look at the result.
Successful conversation. Number 2, make your intentions clear. Beating around the bush might seem like a safer option, but
now you guys can be able to see our motion tracking has been done successfully. And in order to do this, you guys must have to like this video, share this video, and bye bye.